QIDI Technology 3D Printer, Large Size X Plus Intelligent Industrial Grade 3D Printer with Nylon, Carbon Fiber, PC, High Precision Printing 10.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inch. Flashforge 3D Printer Adventurer 3 Pro, Auto Leveling Glass Hotbed, Built-in HD Camera, 8GB internal storage, Touchscreen, Filament Detection, Wi-Fi Cloud Printing, Fully Assembled 150 by 150 by 150 Glass Build Platform. This Pro version has updated heated flexible build plate to glass module. 100% genuine borosilicate glass, excellent flatness to avoid edge curling. Black check mark, auto leveling, fully enclosed and assembled. Build plate is well leveled in factory. After package unboxing, simply follow touchscreen prompts to start 3D printing. ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Plus Resin 3D Printer, 9.25 inches LCD 3D Resin Printer, offline printing, smart resin filling, ultrafast printing, printing size. The Photon M3 Plus 9.25 inches 6K monochrome screen resin 3D printer offers 34 micrometers accuracy. FLSUN SR Super Racer 3D printer fast 200mm per second 2800mm/s² FDM Delta linear rail pre-assembly with auto leveling resume 1.75 PLA DIY 3D printers printing size high-speed printing and 2800+/s² acceleration and 3-axis linkage technology, equipped 3x48 watts high-power stepper motor and 3-axis linkage technology support a normal printing speed of FLSUN Super Racer. Max build size of 9.6 inches by 7.8 inches by 4.8 inches. And adds a screen protector, which effectively prevents scratches and damage to the LCD screen. Ultra-fast printing. The Photon M3 Resin 3D printer is equipped with a powerful matrix LED light source. The max printing speed is 3.93 in/H.